Anxiety explained what it is and how to stop it. Join me, guys, up until the end. Ethel Allera here. Let's go. Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress, danger, or uncertainty. It's a feeling of worry, nervousness, or fear about something that may happen. Everyone experiences anxiety from time to time, like before a job interview, an exam, or a big decision. However, when anxiety becomes constant, overwhelming, or interferes with daily life, it may be a sign of an anxiety disorder. Common signs of anxiety. Number one, constant worry or fear. Number two, restlessness or feeling on edge. Number three, rapid heartbeat or sweating. Number four, trouble sleeping. Number five, difficulty concentrating. Number six, avoiding certain situations. Common types of anxiety disorders. Number one, generalized anxiety disorder or GAD, chronic worry about many things. Number two, panic disorder, sudden panic attacks with physical symptoms. Number three, social anxiety disorder, intense fear of social situations. Number four, phobias, fear of specific things like heights or spiders. Before we dive into the ways to manage anxiety, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful wellness tips that support your mind and body. Now, let's get back to it. Helpful ways to manage anxiety. Number one, deep breathing and meditation. Number two, regular physical activity. Number three, limiting caffeine and alcohol. Number four, talking to a friend or therapist. Number five, getting enough sleep. Remember, anxiety is more common than you think. And you don't have to fight it alone. With the right tools and mindset, you can regain peace and balance. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might need it too. And don't forget, every step forward counts. See you in the next one. If anxiety is affecting your quality of life, it's important to seek support from a health professional. You're not alone. Anxiety is very common and treatable. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep flowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.